Hello everyone, this is Hafiz with you, and in today's video I have HP Pavilion DV6 laptop with me, and I'm going to upgrade the hard drive of this laptop from SATA to SSD. I have got this Samsung 860 hard drive. The capacity of this hard drive is 500 GB. So in this video we'll see how to upgrade the SSD of this laptop, and after upgrading we will see how much boot speed we got increased with SSD. So let's start the process. Remove the battery first and then unscrew the hard drive cover. After removing these two screws, now pull up the hard drive cover from right side. Now gently take out hard drive by pulling this plastic cover lid from left side. Remove the SATA connector now. Let's take out SSD drive. Now remove these screws from the side to release the hard drive cover. This cover is actually made by a plastic film which is attached by two metal bars. Now let's mount SSD on this cover and put it back. So now it's time to test the boot speed. Here I combine both videos I recorded. On right side it's SSD, where I have installed Windows 10 operating system, and on left side you can see it's SATA drive. This video is actually I recorded earlier. So here is the result. So I hope you guys like this video. If you would like to increase your laptop speed as well, so do change your SATA drive with SSD. And if you wish to buy similar hard drive which I used, you can get it from the link I pasted in the description of this video. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos and do not forget to like this video. Thanks.